Okay, let's start with the next topic. Solving equations having variables on both sides. Means both sides of equations variables will be there. Means this side also some or the other variable, this side also some or the other variable. A equation in this form. Okay. Now we'll take one example how to solve these equations. Okay, let us take as example 2x minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. Okay, we have to solve this equation. Now we have studied the method of transposing. So first of all we'll do transposing of 3. Transpose 3. So 2x is equals to x plus 2. This minus will change to plus whenever it will be transposed. So 2x is equals to x plus 5. Now we will transpose x. Transpose x to LHS. Okay. So 2x minus x is equals to 5. This x came this side and plus sign changed to minus sign. Now this will be x because 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1x equals to 5. So x is equals to 5. Okay. So this is how we will solve when we have variables on both sides of the equations. Okay. We can take one more example here. See. As in this example, you can see 5x plus 7 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 x minus 14. Okay. Now what we can do here is multiply 2 on both sides of the equation. We will multiply this 2. Means since there are denominator only 2's, so we will multiply the full equation by 2. Okay. On both sides. So when we have multiplied this equation and this portion, this expression with 2. 2 when we multiply 10x, 2 when we will multiply 7 by 2 with 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel each other. So only 7 will remain. So this expression will change to 10x plus 7. Okay, when here we will multiply, 2 will cut by 2, 3x will be left minus 14 2 is 28. So this expression will change to 3x minus 28. Now this equation has become just like the one which we have earlier done. Okay. There are variables on both sides of the equation. So we will do transposing. First of all, we will transpose minus this 7 over the other side. So this will change to minus. So it will come minus 35. Okay. Now transpose the x term to the left hand side. When we have transposed x term to the left hand side, its sign changes to minus. So the answer will come 7x. 7x equals to minus 35 will give us x is equals to minus 5 as the solution. Now we will see applications of this equations when there are variables on both sides. Okay, so we will see an example. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. Okay, this is a question. This is a word problem which is given. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present age. So in this type of questions we should assume the ages. First of all, we are given Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. So we are dealing with the age of Shriya. We are telling in reference to Shriya. Okay. So let us suppose Shriya's age is x. What did we suppose? Shriya's present age to be x years. Okay. So next, Arjun's present age would be, since here it is written Arjun is twice or as old as Shriya. So according to this sentence or this statement, what we can conclude that Arjun's present age is 2x years, okay, because it is twice of Shreya's age. Shreya's age 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Shreya's age would be x minus 5. Similarly, Arjun's age 5 years ago would be 2x minus 5 years. Okay. Since it is given that Arjun's age 5 years ago was 3 times Shreya's age, now they are saying Arjun's age 5 years ago was 3 times. Means 5 years ago, whatever his age was, that was equal to 3 times the age of Shreya. So 2x minus 5 was Arjun's age 5 years ago. Now that was equals to Shreya's age 3 times. So 3 multiplied by Shreya's age. Okay. So we will solve this equation. 2x minus 5, 3 multiplied by the 3x minus 15. Now we have changed this equation to linear equation in one variable when variable is on both sides. Okay. So 2x minus 5 is equals to 3x minus 15. We will transpose 5 from here. Okay. So we will get okay, first of all we will transpose 15 from here to here. So the sign will change to positive. So 15 minus 5. Okay. Similarly, when 2x is transposed to that side, my plus sign changes to negative sign. So this equation will find us x is equals to 10. So Shreya's present age is 10 years. Okay. Arjun's present age is 20 years because it is twice of that. Now tell me what would be the age 5 years. Before 5 years was Shreya's age was, before 5 years Shreya's age was 10 minus 5, that was 5. Okay. So Arjun's age was 3 times of Shreya's age. So 3 into 5. So Arjun's age 5 years ago was 15 years. Okay. So this was about this topic. Now coming to the next topic. Now they are simply reducing the terms, reducing the equations to simple forms. Okay. As we will have the equations in some other form. We will reduce them to simpler forms and then find the equations or the solutions to the equations. Okay. Solutions are the values which we are getting from finding during solving the equations like x or y. They are the solutions to the following equations. We can even check the answers of the solutions. I'll show you how. So first of all, we'll solve this equation. Okay. We are given an equation 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 is equals to 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Okay. So for solving this equation, we can see here, as you can see, first of all, we have solved this equation. So this brought us 4x plus 14. How? 2 2s are 4, 4x minus 4x. Okay. Minus sign would change to plus. 2 into 7 is 14. Similarly, we solve this equation. We got 6x minus 2. Okay. Now, 5x minus 4x, we got x over here. Okay. Next, 6x minus, now we have solved this part. When we are solving this part, we got 3 by 2. We will take the LCM 2, 2 to the 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. So we will get plus of 3 by 2. So now the equation remains x plus 14 and 6x plus 3 by 2. So we can transpose x from here to there. So we transpose x. Now the sign has changed of x. 6x minus x, we have got 5x. So now we have got the equation 14 minus 3 by 2 is equals to 5x. Now we can take the LCM 2. 14 to the 28 minus 3 is equals to 5x. So we'll get 25 by 2 is equals to 5x. So what we can do? X is equals to 25 by 2 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are. So x is equals to 5 by 2. This is the value of x. Okay. Okay. So this is how we are finding after solving the equations or after reducing the equations to simpler forms. Okay. Now we can see equations reducible to linear form. Since this is not linear form, they are not in the linear form, this equation, because one x is above and one x is below. So we don't know in which form this is, but this is not in the linear form because only one variable will be there and power will be only 1. So what we can do, we can reduce the equations to linear form. How we will reduce the equations to linear form? See, for example, x plus 1, 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. This is given. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so we have to reduce this to linear form. So first of all, we will multiply both sides of the equation to the denominator of this equation. Okay, so 2x plus 3 will multiply both sides. Okay, here also and here also. So here it will be cut directly. Only x plus 1 will remain. Here it will be multiplied to 3. We will solve this equation and 8 will go cross multiplication to this side. So solving these, we will get the equation of linear variables on both sides of equal to sign. 8x plus 8, 6x plus 9. So now we will do the transposition. First of all, we will transpose the x term. Plus 6x, when it will go to the LHS, it will change to minus 6x. It will change to minus 6x. Okay. Similarly, 8, when it will go to the other side, it will change to minus 8. Okay. So here we will get 2x. Here we will get 1. So x will be 1 by 2. So this was the how to express or how to reduce in linear form. Okay. So now how we will check if the answers are correct or not, if the solutions are correct or not. So we will keep this x is equals to 1 by 2 in the equation. So x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 equals to 3 by 8. In the place of x, keep 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 3. So this will cancel. Is equals to 3 by 8. Now solve this. This LCM will take over here 2. 1 plus 2 divided by, here it will be left 1 plus 4. 1 plus 3 is left over here. Okay. And 3 by 8. If the answer over here comes 3 by 8, then the solution will be correct. Okay. So how we will solve this now? So we are getting over here. So we can write this as 3 by 2 divided by 4 is equals to 3 by 8. So what we can do? 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 is equals to 3 by 8. Since this will be 3 upon 8 is equals to 3 upon 8. So our solution is correct. X is equals to 1 by 2 is correct. If we put x value and when we solve it, the answer comes similar to the RHS, then our solution is correct. Okay, so this was about the checking part. Now on similar terms, we can solve the word problems which are given to us. Okay, so let us solve one more word problem which is given to us. Let's suppose here in the question it is given present ages of Anu and Raj are in ratio 4:5. They are given ages, okay, and they are given in ratio. Whenever we are talking about ratio, Okay, they are given in ratio ages. Okay, 4:5. 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. This is the question. So, since the ages are given in ratio, let us suppose their present ages are 4x and 5x. Let us suppose their ages are 4x and 5x. Okay. After 8 years, Anu's age. After 8 years will be 4x plus 8 years. Similarly, Raj's age after 8 years will be 5x plus 8 years. Okay. So, now they are telling that after 8 years, their ages will be in the ratio. After 8 years, their ages will be in the ratio, means this will be the ratio after 8 years, and this ratio will be equals to 5/6. So, we'll write it like this, that after 8 years, their respective ages will be 4x plus 8 and 5x plus 8. Okay, this will be in the ratio 5/6. Now solve this equation. How we will solve? We will cross multiply. Okay, 6 into 4x plus 8 is equals to 5 into 5x plus 8. Now we have solved this equation, this kind of equation. This will be 24x plus 8 is equals to 25x plus 8. Okay. 4x plus 48. 24x plus 48 and 5 is the 40. So this will be the equation. Now we will do the transposing. Since this is bigger number, so we will bring this x term to that side. 48 remains here. 25x minus 24x plus 40. Now 40 will be transposed to this side. 48 minus 40 is equals to x. That is, x is equals to 8. X value of x is 8. Okay. So this is the value of x only. Now we have to find out their present ages. How we will find out their present ages? Their present ages are in ratio 4:5. Correct? So Anu's present age will be 4 into x. That is 4 into x will be, x we have just found out 8. So 4 8s are 32. So Anu's present age is 32. What about Raj's present age? Raj's present age will be 5 into 8. That is 40 years. So both of them's present age we have found out. So this is how we do the equations when we are not having them in linear form. We'll reduce them to linear form and then we will solve these equations. Now you'll try doing the exercise questions, and if you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.